Hello children, welcome to Little Me Montessori. You all know your name of the school by now? The school's name is Little Me Montessori. Some of you have already come to the school, so you know the rooms very well. What is there in every room? Some of you are very new to the school, you do not know what is there, and whenever you came, it was all in closed boxes. I'm going to show you around today and show you what all materials are there in each room. Okay? And for those who have already come, let's try to recollect. Let's see if you find your favorite material here. Okay? Come, let's go see. That's the entrance to your classroom. You enter from here, and as you enter, you will find this shelf, the sensorial shelf. These are all sensorial material. Little by little you are going to learn how to use the sensorial material. Remember seeing this shelf? It was right at the entrance. Sensorial shelf. Now let's move to another shelf. The next shelf is the shelf of exercises of practical life. Remember doing cutting of papers, threading beads, folding napkins, lacing frames, and then you had your chandan paste, pouring activities, screws and nuts, and then you have your sieving activity, garland making, funneling, sponging, and your dressing frames like coat buttons, ribbons, and that's your oilcloth which you use for your water-based activities. Remember, when you do your water-based activities, you have to wear your apron. And where are the aprons? Right into the storeroom. If you go, you'll find your aprons hanging here. Okay? Now there's one more shelf. Here, just beside it. Yes. Here also you have some activities. When you come, we'll add more activities. We're going to remove all these baby activities, and we are going to give you cucumbers for cutting, bananas for cutting, and many more like that. Okay? That's when you come to school. So this is your exercises of practical life. Let's move on to another shelf. This is your shelf of language activities. You will be learning the letters, cursive letters, phonograms, all the words and sentences, movable alphabets, and then you have your Tamil and Hindi activities also here. All language activities you will find in this shelf, which is near the exercises of practical life. Is it not? Okay. What do I see there? Yellow shelves. Let's go there and check. Yes, this is your maths room. We have all the maths activities arranged here. Remember your number rods, number cards, spindle boxes, cards and counters, decimal system static part, and dynamic part, and seconds board. Yes, most of you have completed two levels in this. Yes, that's right. 2 levels you have finished in this. Very good. We'll try and finish the whole thing by this year end. Let's move to another room. So this is your maths room, okay? Now let's go to a culture section. The culture section is just next to the practical life shelf. Okay, you just have to go to this room which is Miss Juno's office room, and you will find here the materials for cultural studies. Remember seeing the shelf? Yes, you're going to learn about the globe, the nomenclature cards on botany and zoology, and the clock and the maps, and lots of puzzle and insects. Okay? That is your culture shelf. So that is your school, children. I showed you your classroom environment inside the school. Now there is places outside the school, like there is wash basin area, and there there are little mops and the little brooms and dustpans and brushes are kept. And down below there is a place for you to go and play. Is it not? That must be your favorite place to run around and play. Okay, this is to help you remember your school and classroom. Keep this in mind, and whenever we talk about materials, think about where I bring the materials from. Okay, and then when you come to school, it's all going to be easy for you. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.